It's August the 6th. We're here in Merrittville, as you can see, home territory. No Tyson tonight, no Toby tonight. Toby's camping with the fam, so good for him. And Tyson's a cripple. I said it before, I'll say it again, he's a cripple. No, Tyson messed up his back. He got a bad sciatic, so it was acting up, and he tried to be a hero and lift a gigantic plate, and yeah, it didn't work out for him. So we're here. We got skeleton crew, but we got Mr. Will here helping do work for us tonight. We got the Bobo out here again. So Bobo back at Merrittville. It's been a while for him, so that's kind of exciting. We didn't do too much to the car this week, being a short week. Kind of was a little it was messy at the shop. Plus I'm away next week because I'm going camping with my family. Toby will probably work away at it a little bit next week if he's got some time, but if not, it is what it is. It's all right. We're still searching for a strut. I gotta get over to Danny's and dig through his pile of struts. It's gonna be me filming tonight, so see what I can do here.
Don't leave your shit on my car. Alright, so seeing as you left your camera here, I figured I'd do something a little special for you. Mostly for Toby. We're gonna plug Slick Mist. We're gonna polish that bad boy up for you tonight. Very important, clean run. Slick Mist up in there. Check back for part 2 where I put some grip tape so Toby doesn't slip off.
Alright, so we got our lineups. We're starting first in the first heat. They got a bit of a weird schedule tonight, so they're not running hot laps for us or anything. Because the sportsman feature last weekend for the Grand Nationals got rained out. So basically what they're doing is they're going to run heats, everybody's heats other than the sportsman. They're going to run their feature from last weekend, and then they're going to do their heats, I think, before everybody else's feature, and then they're going to do their second feature at the end of the night. So busy night for Danny, busy night for the boys. Yeah, I'm just kind of getting ready because it's hot. I don't want to be in my fire suit for that long. they're just doing intermission right now. As you can see, they're doing track work because the sportsman feature from the Grand National feature from last week tore it up pretty good. There's a few broken cars in the field now. So Danny is one of those. He has got a broken strut tower. I took some video of that over there earlier. I think they're trying to fix it. I don't know. I think Chris, who works at Outlaw, he's got his welder here, so he might do it, but I don't know. I don't know what's going on yet. So we pulled some stagger out of the car because it was super loose, and trying to tighten it up a little bit. We pulled almost all the stagger out of the car. We're gonna see how that runs tonight. Now we're starting 19th, so we got room to make up, that's for sure. So depending on how this track prep goes, the track could be either really, really good or it's sealed over. So I don't know, we'll see what's going on. Come along with our adventure of happiness. As long as we finish better than 19th, I'll be happy.
fucking so good on the top.
Yeah.
You're a pulling guy.
I wanted to cut down up over here.
But you kept going way fucking high in 4,
well,
and then you'd lose your spots.
Yeah, I know.
You gained 3 fucking spots.
Well, I look down and I see somebody
without
fucking chopping down on them.
Drop them. Fuck, who gives a fuck? Yeah, dude. Seriously, like you look fucking fantastic in that end.
1 and 2,
made 3
fantastic.
positions. Coming out of the bottom of 4, you were making positions.
Yeah.
Once you fucking went to the high side of 4, you're fucking jumped.
Yeah.